Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all how I make this delicious mouth-watering okra soup that you can enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Let's get started. This is the meat I will be using for this soup, and this is my pepper. Then I will be using tilapia fish also. You can use any other fish of your choice. And these are the seasoning I will be using. I have salt, adobe all-purpose seasoning, and a Knorr seasoning, crayfish, which I will be blending. Then is my chopped okra and palm oil. Okay, I'm going to be adding a little palm oil. Then what I'm going to do next is for me to add my Knorr seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and salt. Then I will add in some blended pepper that I've blended with onions and ginger, with habanero pepper to make it spicy. I'm just going to mix everything together very well. Then I'll cover the pot. Then I'll transfer it to my fire. Then I'll cook for 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is 10 minutes later. The next thing I'm just going to do, I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Then I'm going to add in my tilapia fish so that it will cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, after adding the tilapia fish, I'll add in 2 cups of water so that it can boil properly. At this point guys, I just want to say thank you so much everyone for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. I love you guys for the support, for always coming back to watch my videos. While the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and blend all my peppers together. In the blender I have bell peppers, onions, ginger, and habanero pepper. I'll blend everything together and I'll keep aside. I'm just going to take the fish out of the meat, okay? Then I'll keep it aside. Then I'll add in my blended peppers into the meat. I'll go ahead and add the blended pepper, and I'll also add a little bit of palm oil. If you don't want to use palm oil, you can skip this part. I'm just adding a little, just a little palm oil. After adding the blended peppers, I'll just mix it properly and make sure they all mix together properly. I'm adding in some cow feet that have already been cooked off camera. This cow feet is already been cooked. It's well done. Now I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I'm just going to add in my blended crayfish. I'll stir it together, then I will add in my okra. I'll make sure I mix the okra properly. After mixing it properly, then I'll add in my fish. I'm adding in the fish, okay? The fish have already been cooked earlier. I'm just going to add it to it. Then I'm going to add in some spinach that I have. Some frozen spinach. I went ahead and defroze the spinach. I'm just going to add it to it. Then I'll go ahead and add in salt and non-seasoning for taste. After adding the nor and the salt, I'll cover it. I'll allow it to cook for about 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. Then our soup is gonna be ready. Okra soup doesn't take time to cook. I'll make sure I mix it properly so that the spinach will mix well inside the soup. Guys, at this point, the kitchen is smelling so yummy. It's smelling so delicious. Are you guys hungry? Are you guys ready to eat? I know you guys are salivating already. Don't worry. I'm just going to post your one. I'm a cheerful giver, okay? Send me your address. I'll post your soup to you. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching my video. I really appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love that you guys show to me in this channel. May God bless you. And please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page also at SharewithLove TV. Don't forget to like and follow my page. May God bless you, every one of you. Look at it, guys. Our soup is ready. It's time to serve. It's time to eat our food with any swallow of your choice. I'm using plantain fufu to eat my one. Look at it, guys. The food tastes so yummy. It tastes so delicious. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please, guys, don't forget to thumbs up. Your thumbs up is highly appreciated, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. I'll see you all in my next video. I love you guys, and please don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. Share to your friends, share to your families, share it to your loved ones, eh? Share. Sharing is caring. I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you soon. I beg, may I go enjoy myself. I no fit kill myself. Na eje gboma. Taloma. If I know eje boy, I love you guys. Bye-bye.